Ooh, I'm telling. What are we doing today?
We are putting spacers on the TLX and adjusting the coilovers. Just like,
don't mess with the sea life. See you later, stinky.
You guys saw a little bit of this TLX in a previous video, which go ahead and click that link up there. But here she is. She's a beaut. And we just cambered it out. Max cambered. Yes, I have my dirty bean water.
dirty bean.
We forgot to put the handbrake on. I mean, no, we didn't. What happened was the car did a backflip on the lift, so it disengaged the handbrakes. Now he's about to put that handbrake back on. So we're dropping it down to 2.
2.50.
That's 2.50, right?
2.50, dude.
Hey, I'm on bags too. Drop it, drop it, drop it. I want you to look very, very close. You see those beauties over there? Whoa. I got you. You dropped the brush. I know what TLX stands for now. You know what TLX stands for? The leading experimental too fast for scat packs. Ooh, I'm telling. Ooh, look how low it is. Oh, and the spacers. Oh, they did justice. Look at that.